Hi folks, welcome back. Today's challenge is going to be simple but not easy. It's all about the balance. So without any further ado, let's get it started. Okay, when you're hopping on your yoga mat, we are going to test your balancing act. So how to do this is very simple. The first one is that you're bringing your heel to your inner thigh and pressing it in and trying to have your hands wide open. And fix your gaze in front of you, something far out, about 200 centimeters away from you, and just staying here like an aeroplane with your left leg on the floor and the right heel is pressing at your thigh. Okay, let's get it started. So 3, 2, 1, go. So take a deep breath in, bring your right leg up, press your heel at your inner left thigh, open your hands wide, breathe deep, balance here for 30 seconds, at least 30 seconds, starting now. 1, 2, 3, breathing deep as well, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks very simple, but step by step you will get to a point where you will be feeling aha moments. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, almost there, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You can do this. 30. All right, well done. So now doing the same with the left leg going up and pressing at your right inner thigh. Press so that way your leg is not going to slip down. Once you're ready, starting in 3, 2, 1, with your open hands, wide chest, looking in front of you about 2 meters far on the floor, breathing deep for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The coordination of your leg, your hip joint, with your pelvic, with your spine improves massively here. Your toes become strong as well. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Breathe deep as well. Slow deep breathing changes the whole game. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You're almost there. If you have done it, congratulate yourself. 30 and coming down. Part 2 of your balancing act the same way. But here you're bringing your right leg on top of your left thigh and then slightly bending your knees. Bring your palms together. Staying here for 15 seconds. Once you're ready, starting with me. 1, eyes are gazing right in front of you, 2 meters away on the floor. 2, bend your knees so you feel it at your glute and your toes equally. 4, 5, 6, 7, palms are pressing against each other so you feel it at your chest as well. Breathe deep. 11, oh, it's really windy. 14, 15, slowly take it down. Hello. On the left side, same way. Once you're ready, bending the knee, and once you're ready, palms are together, looking at the tip of the nose. Starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fix your gaze in front of you, 2 meters far, just on the floor. Bend your knees, you feel it on your glute and your legs as well. 10, 11, 12, 13. Try to bend your knee to challenge yourself. 14, 15. Once you're done, come back right to the center. So that is the second part of our practice done. Now the final one. Are you ready for it? So once you feel ready, get back on your mat once again. Now last and the final round, like the beginning one, the tree pose. Bring the heel at your inner left thigh, rising lifting up the hands, join your palms, look in front of you, 2 meters away on the floor, palms are together and staying here in Vrikshasana for 15 seconds starting now. 1, breathing deep as well. 2, make sure that your knee want to come slightly outward, your hip feeling a rotation. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once you're done, you can come out from Vrikshasana from the right side, and without any further ado, let's get it started with the left as well. Once you are ready, take a deep breath in, fix your gaze right in front of you, rise up your hand, take a deep breath, starting now for 15 seconds in Vrikshasana. 1, 2, it's really windy here. 3, see the olives behind me are trembling. Maybe you are doing 2, but this is only the first time you're trying. Once you try again, you get better and better. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you're almost there. 13, 14, 15, and congratulations. If you have done it, if you have made it that far, congratulations. And you see, once you're trying it again and again, you will get better and better. Not only your physical balance will improve, but mental and emotional balance too. So try again, because I know you will get better. See you soon. Bye.